Very, very hot outside.
Leave the door open.
Power tripping and all kinds of stuff.
There's no power
Yo,
tripping.
just relax.
You already know that you possibly have warrant. That's why you're shaking.
Excuse
so
me?
sit back, relax.
I ain't gonna lie, he is power tripping though. You already know that you possibly have a warrant. Well, that statement's not correct. Because if I don't have a warrant, and I know I don't have a warrant, then I know I don't possibly have a warrant. If I know I have a warrant, you're basically saying I think that you have a warrant. And that's why you're nervous? Because I think you're nervous? Like, it's weird. Hey, this might be police brutality. Police brutality.